baked. An Alaskan so baked. An Alaskan. Hey everybody, and welcome to the Baked Alaskan. I'm here with Nicole tonight. She's off work for the weekend.
Yay!
And we picked up her package. Don't show it too much because it's got all of our information on it on both sides because Customs got us. Not got us, but, you know, they picked us. We won the random draw. And
we choose you.
We had to pay like $30 in customs fees. Bonus. But we're getting the damn t-shirts that we wanted for like months and months and months. And this batch, I'm wearing one of mine. Friday, I'm in love. And this batch is actually Nicole's. So everything in here is hers. Do you need some help?
No. Just gonna get some skincare. Packing list. Oh yeah, my most anticipated on the top. Are you ready? Pyromaniac squirrel. Yeah. I'm wearing that on Monday.
By the way, if you're wondering where we got these t-shirts, it's TeeTurtle.com. And they're really good. They have deals on all the time for $12 tees. Good quality t-shirts last a long, long time. Trust me, I wear the hell out of my t-shirts.
Me too. I wear them to work.
And they don't rip or anything. Or go thin, or they're good. Next.
Space cats. Because space cats. This is one of the ones that they actually have it's more like a series, so they'll do, they have a space otters, I think they have a space bunnies, so they have a couple of them if you like the design, but prefer a different animal.
I'm stoked about this one.
Yeah, this one's really cool. The Cat Ion.
I like the color on that one too.
Yeah, this is a nice...
These shirts are so soft, you guys. I can't even, like, I really do enjoy them.
Honduras. Love those Honduras people. This one's cute. This is the cute one, I think, of the
dorky, cute one.
Yeah, like, I have another one that's, Crazy Cat Lady. Got a big pile of cats. And it's cute. It's not like, you know, I don't know, fun or irreverent or anything. It's, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway. Burrito! Because I love cats. And I love burritos. Burrito. I can never say that one right. They just get better and better.
The pile is huge, you guys. This is a good one.
This one.
Cat burger.
All the noms. Cats and I...
Jackie.
Come check this out. Oh, this is another...
This one's
sweet.
Is rad. This one is for all my
catnip dreaming
ganja friends.
Catnip dreaming. Such a Wednesday.
We did not plan that. I didn't do that.
Good boy. Good boy, Jackie.
We're starting our cat circus next month.
What?
It'll be, I don't know, how much? What's a fair price
I don't know.
for admission? Stay tuned for my Patreon account. I'm just kidding.
This is the story of my life.
Which one is this one? Oh, yeah.
Just one more level.
There's not enough time in the day to
No.
do everything and play video games.
No, there isn't. There really isn't. It's a shame.
So,
And those are all the t-shirts I got. I got 2 pairs of socks, too.
these are pretty cool.
What are these ones called? Do they have a name? They're just angry. They're just...
Cat socks.
cat socks.
But the next ones are the pièce de résistance of the whole
So look
package.
at how cute this logo is. Look at the TeeTurtle turtle. I don't know what his name is. If there's anybody who works for TeeTurtle, tell me what his name is. Killa Bunnies. Bunny? Killa Bunny.
And they got a red heel. That's a nice, and the red toe.
Red toe.
And they have the detail of TeeTurtle.
Oh, for the love of Pete.
Oh, Jackson, get down, dude.
Excuse me.
Damn cat.
Can you hear this? He's purring. Every time he gets in trouble, he purrs. It's like this is how he gets through life. And it
I know a
works.
lot of people like that.
Okay, so Killa Bunnies. My
Yeah.
anecdote to that is if you run a really cool but kind of effed up song, look up Killa Bunnies by Moloko. True story.
Yeah, it's catchy as hell once you get past the fact that it's creepy.
It is that.
It's funny though, right? So
Those are all my t-shirts.
so that is the TeeTurtle haul for Nicole,
Woo!
and I think that's all from us tonight. Remy, do you want to come say hi to the folks? Cause Jack's here getting all the love.
He's eating.
All right, everybody.
Bye.
I hope you're having a great day, whatever
Friday
day
night.
I post this.
Well, it's Friday night now.
Well, way to ruin it now.
Way to go.
Anyways, whenever I post this, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves out there. Nicole, say goodbye.
Bye.
And be well.